In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix if your Lazada account is locked, suspended, or you can't log in. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to understand are the common reasons why Lazada locks your account. Number one is too many failed login attempts, suspicious activity or login from a new device or location, violation of Lazada policies, using multiple accounts, unverified email or phone number, seller issues like order cancellations or policy violations. Because knowing the reason helps you fix it faster. Now in my case, as you can see, this falls under the suspicious activity or login from a new device or location. Now, if that's the case, if your account was locked due to many login attempts, this is usually temporary. Wait to like 24 to 48 hours, then try logging in again using the correct password. Make sure you are using the official Lazada app or website. As you may notice, once you've waited, you can now access your account without any problem. Now, if in case you can still access your account, the last thing that you need to do is, you need to contact Lazada support. From here, all I have to do is call these numbers, or what you can do is, you can simply go to the official website of Lazada. There is an option here for the chat, and just type in your concern that your account is still locked here in Lazada. And of course, the contact support specialist will give you troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.